Hi guys, welcome back to another Jeff and Chidu video. Today I'm going to do some prep work on the deck so that we can repaint it. So here's an example of one of the timber decking here that has rotted quite severely and we can't use this anymore. Now I thought maybe if I pulled it up and looked at the bottom side, maybe I could use it, which actually most of it's pretty good. And the problem is it's still pretty soft on the ends, which means that it's rotted already. And the other side as well. That's all rotted and chipped away. So I think I'll have to replace this board. See how clean timber gets after you wash it? It's almost like it's new. And then comparing this green one just on the right, that's all the moss and growth stuck on it. So this is the state of the deck right now. We have removed any timber that has been rotting, and then I've cleaned up the underside of the existing deck, and so today I'll try and reuse whatever timber that's left. Some of them are okay, but some we might not be able to use them. Right, so I've got these timber here cut, and now I'm just going to screw them into the joist. So Jeff and I went to get some more new decking timber here. These are new ones. See how pretty the surface is? That one. And that should hopefully be enough to fill in all this hole here. Fill in the hole. Okay, do your dance move. So we've successfully installed all of the decking boards, and now I'm going to be sanding the deck and then filling any gaps and cracks before we paint. I am so excited today because I think we're ready to get painting. Been spending about the last 3 weeks just prepping and restoring all the old timber, rotted timber, sanding, scraping, you name it. But today is the day we start painting. We have this paint here from Resin, and it's from their Lumber Cider range, and we got the color in Bali High. Well, let's get to it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our next video on restoring the stairs to the deck.